This is the Sizzix Stencil and Stamp Tool, and let's see what's in the box. Everything comes neatly cellophane together. I'm just going to pull off that cellophane and then we can examine everything that's in that little package there. The Sizzix Stamp and Stencil Tool is a platform that you can use with both your stencils and your stamps so that you can get your placement really nice. It comes with a large sheet of sticky grid that's just a little bit bigger than an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. There's a hinge on the top. It's quite a large platform, and for people that use large stencils or say work on scrapbook pages, I think it could be really helpful for them because it is quite big. In order to put the sticky grid down, the instructions say to put the non-printed side down on the base, and then that way you can have the grid side showing. I like to line up one side, and then I'm going to pull the backing off of the back while I'm smoothing everything out. That way I make sure I don't have any bubbles and it's not going to stick upon itself. If you've never used sticky grid before, it's like a really big post-it note, and it's great for holding your projects, your stencils or whatnot in place while you're working with them. There's a hinge at the top of the Stamp and Stencil tool, and the top plate comes on and off really, really easily. This mint green thing here is a stencil alignment tool, and those holes go over the hinge part at the top, so you can place where you want your stencil to go. Sizzix stencils have two little holes at the top, so there's two pegs to use with them so you can get perfect placement. However, you can use them with other stencils and get placement really well, and that sticky grid helps with that. All in all, I think this would be a helpful tool, especially for people that like to use larger stencils or work on larger projects.